I'm so excited about Mother-Daughter Mask Day.
Yeah, me too. What are you gonna do? Like some moisturizing moment?
Yeah, I'm all excited about like really applying a lot of moisture.
Yeah.
Did you get something cool?
Well, I'm gonna do like, my T-zone's been kind of oily and like breaking out. I'm doing like a charcoal, like clarifying thing, but I think it's gonna like bubble up.
When I was your age, I had that same T-zone
You used to have
thing.
oily T-zone, now you don't though?
No, my skin has changed so much as I've gotten older. So now what I really need is just hydration.
Moisture. So we just washed our faces,
Yeah.
but we really should make sure that like every little thing is gone. So I'm gonna use like a micellar water or a toner. Mine has charcoal in it, which is like really good for clarifying like I was saying before.
Oh, I have this cool one. It's got rose petals, which is supposed to be extra hydrating, which is, you know how much I need that. So
Love that. Okay, I'm gonna go first. So you can sit over there and watch me try this first one. So I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Clarifying Charcoal Bubble Mask, which has charcoal powder in it. I'm just gonna use it on my nose and my forehead and stuff, and then it's supposed to like after a few minutes like start to bubble on my skin, and the charcoal like cleans the pores. It's like kind of tickly as the bubbles form. Now I'm just gonna use a mask removing wipe to get all of the foam and charcoal off. Now I just want to follow up with like something really moisturizing and soothing for my skin. So I'm going to use this one that has marshmallow root extract in it, which is supposed to be really soothing and hydrating for the skin. It feels like really hydrated and smooth, and kind of like I just like got home from the spa.
it looks beautiful. Your skin is really radiant.
Glowing.
Yep.
Okay, it's your turn now.
Cool. I got two different specific masks for those sensitive areas, because you're not supposed to use regular masks on like your tender eye skin or your lips. So I have special eye masks. It like comes with these two strips. It's so easy. They smell really good. Now I have this funny lip one. It's wacky. It's like jelly, sort of. Now I'm supposed to pat in the serum. Oh, it feels great. Next, I'm gonna be using this Yes to Grapefruit peel off mask. It's got vitamin C for brightening and to create that glow that I want. So,
Perfect.
how do I look?
Looks great.
Yeah?
How does it feel?
Oh, my skin is like,
Hydrated.
yeah, it feels really bright and
Yeah.
dewy and youthful,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, I also feel good. I feel like plumped, you know, like
Yeah.
everything like is tight.
You look beautiful.
You too, Mom.